Today we look at the Baker Creek Heirloom Seed Catalog. Now, right here is the standard catalog from Baker Creek that has seeds that you can order, and then obviously there's online ordering at rareseeds.com. But today, this actually is not the catalog that we're going to look at, although we'll probably be comparing to it a little bit. So let's go ahead and look at this other catalog, which is called the Whole Seed Catalog from Baker Creek. Now, I have actually never had a copy of the Whole Seed Catalog before now, but it appeared in my mailbox, which is interesting because this is normally a catalog that has to be purchased. And I don't know if I got it because I am a YouTube channel host that, has worked with them before and has talked about their seeds before and gotten some seeds from them to give away before. It is possible that they hoped I would do what I'm doing right here, which is talking about their whole seed catalog. It's also possible that someone gave it to me as a Christmas gift and just forgot to tell me about it, or maybe they just randomly select some of their people that buy from them and give it out to them. I don't know what brought it to my mailbox, but it came to my mailbox, and this is the Whole Seed Catalog. If we look down here in the bottom right corner of the catalog, it says that it normally retails for $12.95, and that it's supposed to be on display until March 1st, presumably as people are shopping for seeds. So I don't know if that's just on display at their store, or maybe even bookstores around are carrying the Whole Seed Catalog as well. Now, I will be candid. Sometimes I wondered why someone would buy a Whole Seed Catalog, because obviously they can get the regular catalog and order their seeds from that. Buying something for the privilege of buying yet more stuff seems a little bit odd. I know catalogs have been like that in various times in the past, but at any rate, this is the Whole Seed Catalog. I am actually pretty excited to see what's in it, and it previews a little bit that there's useful seeds for every gardener, seeds and stories from across the globe, and then say no to GMO, and that appears to be an I after it? No, it's an exclamation point, which is okay. Say no to GMO exclamation, and just kind of an odd font. So and that's down here at the bottom. Say no to GMO. So without spending too much time, let's go ahead and open this. I see it's cut a little bit down here at the bottom. So yeah, you're going to be seeing this live with me as I'm opening it. Well, I guess not necessarily live, as this isn't a live video, but you'll be seeing this right as I'm opening it right along with me. And my candid reaction, I guess. Seeing me be bad at opening shrink wrap or whatever. I guess this isn't shrink wrap, plastic wrap, protective coating. Okay. All right, here's the Whole Seed Catalog. We've opened the front side of it. Let's go ahead and look at the back side of it. This is the National Heirloom Expo, September 15th to 17th, is being featured on the back of it, which that would be kind of a fun thing to go to sometime. I don't know that I have plans to be in Santa Rosa, California in September, but who knows? Maybe if people on this channel would like us to go visit that, maybe we will. Who knows? Maybe one day. Actually, it would be easier for us to visit Baker Creek itself, as this channel is based out of Kansas City, and they are a Missouri company, just a few hour drive away. All right, I digress. This is the Whole Seed Catalog. Now, just for comparison purposes, let's kind of look at this other catalog here and just the thickness between the two. Obviously, the regular seed catalog here is a lot thinner than the whole seed catalog. That whole seed catalog, maybe is approaching an inch, maybe not quite a full inch thick, and the regular seed catalog is a lot less thick. So maybe we'll look up something randomly, open a page. Okay, this is what okra looks like in the regular catalog. So there's just this one little page of okra. Let's see if we can find okra in the whole seed catalog. Now, I think there's a lot of stories and other information. It's kind of more of actually something you'd sit down and read in the whole seed catalog. But again, this will be my first time opening it, so we'll see. So it does still kind of resemble a seed catalog, generally speaking. So anyhow, I guess I assume it's alphabetical, so no, it is not. Oh, it's alphabetical by big subject. So is okra subcategorized under something else? Probably not. I would imagine okra is its own category. So if are we in tomatoes right now? Yeah, so we need to keep going back. Peppers. So yeah, this is just kind of a little bit of a preview without showing. So here's just a page of okra to kind of show the difference between it. And let's see if we can, you've got a view of basically everything here. We've got, instead of just the one page, you got a couple pages with a lot more images on it, bigger images. It's still only three pages, and we're still not talking about a whole lot of okra that they're selling. I don't know if the whole seed catalog contains every single variety that they have available, but online ordering is where I normally do my actual ordering, but this could probably inform your decision of what to order online. So let's just I know some seeds that I've already ordered. One I've actually grown before, but I was out of Stevia. So that I think would be under herbs. So it's going to be behind that. Wow, a big thing on Tatsoi. Wow. I guess I don't want to show everything that's in here for any of you thinking of buying. But you got to see how great I am at following alphabetical order here. Well, it's kind of hard because it's hard to know exactly what we're looking at. Like, are we under salad now? That would be way later in it. What are we under now? I don't know. Greens, okay. Okay, so I was looking for herbs. So I need to be, if these are greens. Whatever. That was salad blend. So I don't know. Maybe kohlrabi was still a green. Maybe that's what it was. Lettuce. Yeah, we're still on greens. Okay. Whatever. So not the easiest to navigate. There's probably an index right at the front. Melons now. So if we're still on greens, or maybe the Tom Thumb lettuce is not under greens. Well, I don't. All right. You've defeated me. Time to go to an index at the front. And I don't see a table of contents. So maybe I will actually look for an index in the back of the book. Seed index. So what was I even looking for again? Oh yeah, Stevia. So I guess we're still looking for where herbs are. No. Stevia. There we are, 375. So it might actually be under Stevia in alphabetical order. Is it? Okay, I guess so. Go figure. I know on the web page it's under herbs, but here it is under its own thing, which perhaps makes more sense. So yeah, so this is something that I got, the Stevia. Now, just for comparison's sake, let's see what it would have said for Stevia in this book, if it's even in there. Does this even have an index? No. It does not. So let's try this under herbs, this one. While we're talking, I've actually seen a number of very fun videos on the Baker Creek YouTube channel, where they actually go through some of their top new varieties this year, as well as top selling varieties generally. And so here's something else, by the way, that I should be getting this year. I think I actually killed off some of my strawberry plants, so I'm getting some more Tresca strawberry seeds. And I think also another variety, maybe it's the Regina. Yeah, probably the Regina. I'm also getting, maybe it's the Temptation. Yeah, because it wasn't one of the Alpines. So, yeah, I think I'm trying the Temptation strawberry and the Tresca again, which the Tresca was delicious. I'm sure Temptation will be good too. And then I'll be planting some from other gardeners that have extra runners and that as well. But I'm going way off subject again. So this is the seed catalog. If we want to just kind of pick something that's kind of more of a story type thing and look at it that's interesting. So like this kind of goes in and has maybe even some recipes for what to do with huckleberries and just little stories about a special type of corn or whatever. So that's what the whole seed catalog is. If you've ever wondered, is it worth the $12.95? I would say probably yes, if you're the type of person that really is into gardening and has it as a hobby and would like to have something like this around to read. It would actually probably be a pretty interesting coffee table book to have, and you could accumulate them year after year, and it might be kind of a fun thing to have. So to that degree, it's worth it. If, however, you're one of those people that's trying to be frugal in your gardening expenses, then it's definitely something you don't need. So I hope you've enjoyed this update. We will be doing our own seed giveaways here coming up probably sometime still this month, definitely within the next couple months. And we'll start getting ready for the season, planting seeds and doing all of that. If there's any variety that you'd specifically like us to grow, please comment below and let me know what you'd like it to be, and we'll possibly grow it this year on the channel. And I hope that you guys have had a good winter so far and you're getting excited about the upcoming season as well. So please do subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Please give us that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and check out our friends at Baker Creek, and we will see you next time.